what's going on with this? I think it's a pigeon or something. You know, interesting. I had this when I was in Winnipeg. A big bird, it's something like this. I don't know what it's called, and came to our balcony and couldn't get out. And wow, I hope this is not the case. Look at the feather. It's been falling on the ground. Okay, now I'm going to try to help this bird. Okay, so what's going on with you? You don't know how to get out. Okay, I don't know how can I help you to get out. Okay, try to get out. Fly. Fly. Try to fly. Come. Try to fly. Yes, good girl. I thought you were gonna fly out. Okay, try to fly out. Try to fly out. Go. Try to fly out again. Okay. I don't want to get beaten by you, but go. Fly. Okay? Fly, fly. Okay, I'm going to use this. Right, okay, there. Okay, good. Fly. Try to fly. Try to fly. Try to fly. Try to fly up. Try to fly up. Try to fly up. Okay. Okay. Now fly. Try to fly. Come up. Fly. Oh my God. Why don't you fly? Okay, fly. Good. Oh, finally, it's gone. I'm happy for you. Don't come back. Why you come back? Oh my God. You fly away. Why you come back? I don't know what to do with you. Okay. I don't want you to fly to my home. Okay. I want you to fly. Okay. Fly. Fly. Okay. Fly. Here. God. Okay, can you fly? Okay. Okay, fly. Okay, I want you to fly, okay? Go fly. Go fly. Just fly up. Fly up. Why you stay here? You already gone to the tree. Then why you fly back? I don't understand. Okay. Now I want you to fly. Okay, so I need to have something. I want you to go fly, okay? Go fly. Fly. Fly up. Fly up. Yes. Go that way. Hey you, my God. You go that way. Don't be in the get you out from here. Go. Oh my God, don't come back, okay? Don't come back. Don't come back. Okay, now you're gone. Holy moly. So this bird left this feather here. Finally, it's gone. with my help. What a morning on Wednesday morning. Okay.